Hi, and thank you for joining me here at Story Time with Mrs. Smith. Today's story is all about King Henry, and it starts like this. King Henry was in love. He was in love with chocolate milk. Yes, he wanted chocolate milk for breakfast, chocolate milk for lunch, chocolate milk for dinner, and he even dreamed of chocolate milk. But one day, his dreams turned into nightmares when all the chocolate milk disappeared. King Henry searched the whole kingdom for more chocolate milk. He searched the forest of the big bunnies. No chocolate milk. He searched the valley of the big birds. No chocolate milk. He even asked the sharks down in Measurement Bay, and they didn't know where any chocolate milk could be found either. When he found out the chocolate milk was gone, he began to cry in distress. Princess Metric said, "Dad, it's just milk. Drink something else." But the king was too distraught to hear. He set out to travel the world in search of chocolate milk. He went to Krogerville. No chocolate milk there. He searched Aldi Town. No chocolate milk there either. He even traveled to the country of Save-A-Lot. Nope, still no chocolate milk. The king was about to give up when Princess Metric said, "Look!" And there it was, sitting on top of Grapefruit Hill, the highest hill in the land, was the tallest, the shiniest mound of chocolate milk the king had ever seen. He climbed the hill to reach his treasure, and then he carefully climbed the edge and, oh no! The king was never heard from again. Legend has it, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And now, every time you need to convert metric units, remember King Henry's legacy. And now, metric is queen in all countries but 3. And that is today's story time with Mrs. Smith. Thank you for listening. We'll see you next time.